Evolution of the partnership. Prizzi and UCLA, preparing for shipment, high-speed buttonholing machine, Juki Lbh-783. With the fourth machine now delivered, our relationship with the University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA, is a great example of long-term support and shared development. The machine delivers precise buttonhole cutting in multiple sizes. Just replace the knife to adjust. Fully automated operation with a maximum buttonhole length of 31.8 millimeters. Enjoy smooth, accurate buttonhole stitching at speeds up to 3,600 stitches per minute, with zero interference thanks to a smart thread trimming system. The work clamp lifts up to 12 millimeters, making it suitable for sewing medium to heavy fabrics. An ideal solution for students creating and sewing stage costumes as part of their academic work. The machine is fully assembled and ready to go. Next step, secure packaging and delivery. Supporting education is part of our values, so we offered UCLA an exclusive discount. We're also helping them modernize their sewing setup with new tops, sturdy bases, and updated motors. Built on legacy, focused on the future. Discover smart sewing solutions at prizziswing.com.